Let's have some meatloaf.
You want some?
Yes. I knew you'd go. Hey, Mom! The meatloaf! We want it now!
Welcome to Cooking with John.
Mayonnaise. Blunt. Hot dog.
The cooking show where I show you half the steps of how to cook something that looks really good.
Get on in there.
Oil of the olives. Truffle salt.
Powered by meatstew.com. Today I'll be showing you an easy way to prepare meatstew's fully cooked chicken
Meatloaf!
in a way that even your kid will enjoy it. Start off by cutting your meatloaf into 1/2 inch to 1 inch slices depending on how thick you want it
Look
to
at my
be.
dog in the background.
Place your sliced meatloaf in a baking dish and prepare for seasoning. Now it's already
Seasoning.
seasoned, so I did this just to add a little
Sprinkle,
kick of
sprinkle,
flavor.
sprinkle, sprinkle,
Make sure to
sprinkle,
season
sprinkle,
lightly on
sprinkle,
both
sprinkle,
sides.
sprinkle, sprinkle.
This next step may seem
Ketchup.
gross to some of you, but this is really what makes the meatloaf pop.
My kid really likes ketchup.
Make sure not to spread too much ketchup on each piece of meatloaf. You're really just trying to create a light glaze on each side.
Glaze.
Now onto the barbecue. The goal
Meat.
here is to create a sear on each side,
Meat.
so don't go
Meat.
more
Meat.
than 2 to
Meat.
3 minutes
Meat.
per side.
Meat with grill marks.
Once you flip your pieces of meatloaf over, add some cheese and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. And now you're ready to construct your sandwich.
It's a piece of bread.
Place your meatloaf on a toasted French roll, add some more ketchup and enjoy. And that, my friends, is a meatloaf sandwich powered by meatstew.com from John.